Standing on the shores here in Ghana on Sankofa Beach. Such a beautiful, beautiful view. And as I stand here, I can't help but wonder, how could something so beautiful be so tragic for so many? Just down, a little ways down there, so many lives were changed. Nations were almost completely destroyed on such beautiful, beautiful ground. I think of something that Dr. Miles Monroe said. He said, whomever you have to ask for your freedom holds you in captivity. And so I think about that, and I think about how we try to encourage our fellow African Americans to go and at least visit Africa. And sometimes we get so much pushback and so much fear, so much dread. And then you try to talk to them about where they come from and try to share with them. But I tell you this, that if you have to constantly be asking somebody for justice, for freedom, are you really free? If I have to keep asking you to let my son drive around in a decent car freely, am I really free? Am I? Why don't we think about that? And instead of keep begging somebody to set you free and let you live in freedom, why don't we go and find our own? Why don't we go and find our own? Ask God to lead us and guide us to a real place of freedom. I don't have to beg somebody to give me justice, to let me live in peace. Because if I have to ask you for my freedom, then it's up to me to realize that I am still bound. And if I can't realize that I'm still bound, after I've had to repeatedly ask you for my freedom, then is it the one that's holding you captive? Or is it the captive that needs a mind change?